In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize totals to show different values in the table in Tableau. Whether you're seasoned in data visualization or just beginning, being able to customize totals in Tableau can significantly improve your reports, making them more refined and insightful. Let's dive right in. First, begin by launching the Tableau app. Once you have it open, access your worksheet where you want to apply these changes. Now, let's set up your data view. Drag the category and subcategory from your data pane to the rows shelf. This categorizes your data, laying the groundwork for more detailed insights. Next, drag the sales metric to the text mark. This will display your sales data directly within the cells of your table. Once your basic Tableau structure is set up, click the Analysis menu at the top, navigate to Totals, and select Show Column Grand Totals. This action will add a new row at the bottom, summarizing the total values of each column in your table. After you've done this, go back to the Analysis menu, click on Totals again, and select Add All Subtotals. This will add subtotal rows for every category, giving a quick summation for each group. To create a custom total, locate your drop-down menu and select Create Calculated Field. Name this new field Custom GT and input your required query. Once you're satisfied, click OK. Head back to your worksheet, remove sales from the text mark, and replace it with Custom GT. This change makes your custom calculated field visible on the worksheet. It doesn't end here. Right-click on Custom GT and select Edit Table Calculation. In the options, choose Pane, across then down. This will adjust the calculation context to consider all data within each pane. To ensure consistency in presentation, right-click once more on Custom GT and select Format. Within the pane, set the numbers to display as currency, standard. This step is essential to maintain clarity and professionalism in your financial reports. If you're keen on experimenting further, open a new Tableau sheet. Replicate the previous steps by dragging the category and subcategory to the rows shelf, followed by sales to the text mark. Again, show grand totals and add subtotals from the Analysis menu. Now create two calculated fields. Click the drop-down and select Create Calculated Field for the first one, name it Size, and inside the query box, type Size. After clicking OK, create another calculated field named Custom GT2, type your desired query, and confirm. Remove sales from the text mark of this new sheet, dragging Custom GT2 instead. As before, edit the table calculation by right-clicking Custom GT2, then select Pane, across then down, and under Nested Calculations, use Size. Format Custom GT2 by navigating to Pane, selecting Numbers, and changing it to Percentage. These steps ensure that you have a comprehensive, tailored view of your totals, thus enhancing analytical precision. And there you have it, an organized and easy way to customize totals in Tableau, ensuring your visualization aligns perfectly with your analytical needs. Thank you for watching, and feel free to check back for more helpful tutorials.